Question number 1. Construct the following quadrilaterals. Here we are on first part of exercise 4.4, chapter 4th, mathematics class 8th, practical geometry. We need to construct a quadrilateral whose name should be DEAR. A word of caution: if you do not understand any part that we have explained in this tutorial, that means your previous concepts are not clear and you must watch previous tutorials under the same chapter name, practical geometry. Our first step is to check the cyclicity of the given statement. So we are given with DE, it is continuous, therefore it must be the side of this quadrilateral that is given to us as 4 cm. Then we have line segment EA, again it is continuous, therefore it must be another side of this quadrilateral that is equal to 5 cm. Again we are given with the third side because it is continuous AR and its measurement is equal to 4.5 cm. And we are given measurement of two angles, angle E and angle A, as 60 degrees and 90 degrees respectively. And we have studied in this exercise 4.4 that if we are given with 3 sides of any quadrilateral and in between angles, we shall be able to construct our quadrilateral easily. With that, let's try to first of all construct our step number 0 as our rough sketch. The method to solve such type of question when we are provided with such type of information is this. We always look at the angles. We are given 2 angles as E and A and we check the corresponding side. Are we given the corresponding sides? Yes, we have EA, so we will not take these 2 sides that have DE and AR vertices because it will be easy to construct angles on these 2 vertices because we are given angles directly. With that idea, first of all we shall construct line segment EA equal to 5 cm. So the same has been drawn with the assumption with the help of ruler AE equals to 5 cm. Now we know we have to construct 90 degrees at A. So the same is constructed because perpendicular means 90 degrees on any line segment. So with our assumption we made 90 degrees. Also you can use protractor because we are constructing rough sketch. In actual, we shall do it with the help of compasses only. At vertex E, we need to construct 60 degrees. So the same has been constructed with the help of protractor, 60 degrees at E. That is, we just put the point where 60 degrees is there because we do not know the actual measurement right now. An important thing to understand after this step of constructing first part is to know the direction of our figure, whether it will be clockwise or anti-clockwise. So the same hint we can get from our previously constructed line segment AE. Since we are required to construct DEAR, so E and A is here, that means D should come somewhere here. So it will be DEA and R should come somewhere here. So with that idea, now let's check the remaining measurement of line segments. So we have DE equals to 4 cm. So E is here and we have decided D will come somewhere here. So we mark with the help of ruler 4 cm and we construct this line segment DE. Again, we are given with the measurement of line segment AR equals to 4.5 cm. Since we have already put the point at 90 degrees, now we can construct a line segment with the help of ruler as approximately equal to 4.5 cm. Remember, we are not taking actual measurements because we are constructing rough sketch to get the idea that how our figure should appear in our final figure with actual measurement. At last, it is just a matter to connect vertex R with vertex T. Now we check whether our construction is correct. So we need to construct a quadrilateral DEAR. So we have DEAR in anti-clockwise manner. DE equals to 4 cm. Indeed, DE equals to 4 cm. EA equals to 5 cm. EA equals to 5 cm, correct. AR equals to 4.5 cm. Again, AR equals to 4.5 cm. And measurement of E and A is 60 degrees and 90 degrees, which appears correct to our senses. Therefore, we can conclude that step number 0, our rough sketch, is correct. And we can now proceed in order to construct our actual figure with our actual measurements. So first of all, as we did in step number 0, we shall construct line segment AE whose measurement is equal to 5 cm. So with the help of ruler and a pencil, we constructed line segment AE and put down its marking as 5 cm. That is step number first. Pause it, try to construct it by your own. After constructing this, we come to step number 2, we need to construct 90 degrees and 60 degrees at vertices A and E, respectively. By now, we know very well how to construct 60 degrees and 90 degrees, so we will not go into the depth of explanation. So we open our compasses and adjust it at a distance of 2 cm. And we have told you in previous tutorial why we open it at 2 cm. We put a needle over here and start wherever it intersects on line segment AE, because we need to construct 90 degrees at line segment AE at vertex A. So we start here, draw this arc, somewhere here we end it. Now we put our needle over here and intersect this previously drawn arc wherever it intersects with the same length of compasses of 2 cm, that is our 60 degrees. That is, this angle is equal to 60 degrees. Now we put our needle over here wherever these both arcs intersected, and we again intersect the previously drawn arc wherever it intersects. That makes our 120 degrees, that is another 60 degrees, that is, this is another 60 degrees angle. So 60 plus 60 gives you 120 degrees. Therefore this is our 120 degrees. Now we got this angle as 60 degrees. If we bisect it, we will get 30 degrees here, and 30 degrees plus 60 degrees will give us 90 degrees. So how we bisect? We put our needle of compasses here without changing its measurement that was previously set to 2 cm. We construct an arc like this because we know the idea where 90 degrees would come. Now we put our needle over here and try to intersect this previously constructed arc. Wherever it intersects, that will be our 90 degrees. And with the help of dotted line, because we are not constructing its actual measurement right now, this is just a reference line, therefore we use dotted lines. That makes our 90 degree. Pause it and try to construct it by your own. After constructing 90 degrees, now let's construct 60 degrees. Now we put our needle over here and construct this arc. We put the needle over here and try to intersect this previously drawn arc wherever it intersects. That will be a 60 degrees, as simple as that. And we represent again it with dotted lines, because we are not constructing the actual measurement right now. Again, pause it and try to construct both these angles by your own. That completes our step number 2. In step number 3, we try to construct or mark down the dimension of line segment RA and DE. For that, first of all, we are constructing 4.5 cm. Therefore, we will adjust the compasses at a distance of 4.5 cm. Put our needle at A and try to intersect our dotted line segment. So here we intersected it and jotted down as 4.5 cm as our measurement. Now we readjust the compasses at a distance of 4 cm because we are constructing or marking line segment DE measurement. Now we put our needle at E and try to intersect our dotted line that we previously drawn in step number 2. And this was already drawn in our step number 1 as 5 cm. So that completes the step 3. Pause it, try to construct it yourself. In step number 4, or our final step, it is just a matter to connect both these vertices R and D. So we did the same in step number 4 and made our work tidy by jotting down all the measurements that was provided to us in the question itself. 90 degrees at vertex A, 60 degrees at vertex E. So the same has been depicted in our final step, and measurement of all the 3 line segments. So with this, we have constructed a quadrilateral DEAR, and that completes our first part of exercise 4.4, chapter 4th, mathematics class 8th, practical geometry.